Hi, my name is Yukiko Sato. You can remember me from Snow Sugar. I am a wardrobe and kimono stylist from Japan. I've been based in New York City since 1994 because I am a mottainai Japanese philosophy believer. I love kimono that has no waist garment. My personal journey with kimono started when I had my kimono for Japanese Adult Day ceremony. Although 100 years ago, all Japanese knew how to make a kimono and put it on without help. We don't make kimono nor dress ourselves in traditional clothing daily anymore. When I had a plan to move to America, a makeup artist came back from New York and told me to have special skills to compete with other wardrobe stylists because the New York City entertainment industry is very competitive. I decided to master kimono styling and sewing before coming to the US. When I was volunteering at the Buddhist church in springtime, someone asked me if I knew how to make yukata and would make one for the summer Obon festival. Another person asked me the same. I thought there were probably more people who wanted to learn how to make yukata, so I uploaded a video about a men's yukata on YouTube. Surprisingly, a few weeks later, the video got over 1,000 views. Then I rushed to create this video course for you. In this course, I am going to show you how to hand stitch men's summer cotton kimono called yukata step by step. Yukata is one layer called hitoe in Japanese that needs a basic kimono sewing skill that I learned at junior high school in my hometown. Yukata mainly has 6 patterns that are all straight lines. It takes just 9 steps to complete. Yukata making is like a 3D origami. If you love origami, you will enjoy yukata making. This course is great for Japanese culture lovers and also for fashion designers who want to add this Japanese zero-waste garment to their work. It's also perfect for cosplay creators and anyone who wants to learn Japanese handwork. A yukata project will give you a little break from the virtual world. Hand stitching is a great meditation too. By the end of this class, you will have a beautiful yukata in your size. As soon as I can, I will make an online class on how to wear the yukata. Let's get started. See you inside of the class.